In Avaya or conferencing, which two options can be defined in the conference class of service? Choose 2. Option A. Video class of service for this conference class. Option B. Allow to participants. Option C. Media server clusters that can host this conference. Option D. The number to call when operator assistance is required. Option E. Media cascading options for this conference class. The correct answer is option A, B. An administrator has a new license file for Avaya or conferencing for ARA. Which steps should the administrator take to install the new license file? Option A. Log on to System Manager, then go to Licenses and upload the new license file. Option B. Log on to Conferencing, then go to Element Manager and upload the new license file. Option C. Log on to the Communications Manager, then go to Licenses and copy and paste the new license file. Option D. Log on to the System Manager, then go to Security and copy and paste the new license file. The correct answer is option B. What does the install script do during installation of the Avaya or conferencing software? Option A. It prompts you to enter the serial number of the server on which you are installing the software. Option B. It lists the choices of different hardware types that can be used. Option C. It auto-selects the deployment model. Option D. It lists the choices of different operating systems that can be used. The correct answer is option B. A technician would like to enable the recording role for a new media server that they just installed in a conferencing system. Where an element manager would the technician go to enable the recording role? Option A. Feature server elements media servers and clusters media server clusters. Option B. Feature server elements media servers and clusters application servers. Option C. Feature server elements media servers and clusters recording servers. Option D. Feature server elements media servers and clusters provisioning managers. The correct answer is option A.